everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, I am super excited because my Electra reel-to-reel tape recorder is finally back. And I say finally, it's actually only been a couple of weeks because my friend Fardemark actually has been restoring this for me, put all new caps on it, conditioning the rubber, all that good stuff, and it is in top working order. So not only did he send it back in working order, he gave us some tapes, including the original tapes, and I need to make sure that I get the audio from these original tapes back to the owner, the original owner of this, because it's some family stuff. And also even threw in a little mic, which in addition to working on this one, may work really well with the Sears tape cartridge unit. Remember I had that little mic compartment? So here it is, guys. Oh, that's awesome. But wait a minute, there's something in here. What is this, a message? What the heck? Let's take a look at this. What does this say? It says, Mission TAPE. Here I present to you a fully restored tape recorder. Your mission, if you are to accept it, is to demonstrate, sorry for the focus, performance. It's performance. And to read. Just insert fresh batteries and press the play button. Enjoy this fantastic blast from the past. Peter Landry, aka Fardemark. Well, let's do just that. Let me get some batteries and we'll rock and roll. Isn't it interesting that it takes both C's and a 9 volt? So I am going to insert some brand new Energizer Max batteries. I can't believe how freaking expensive batteries are lately. It's unbelievable. I was at Best Buy today and I saw a 4-pack of Energizer Max AA's. It was like 15 bucks. You gotta be kidding me. I bought the generic. It's probably made by the same company anyway. Okay, so got our 9 volt in. We've got our C's in. And now we just need to put this back and turn this to the lock position. While we're down here on the bottom, see a little vent here. You can see the bottom side of the speaker, remote control, mic, earphone. It just looks really handsome. The packing materials are in amazing condition, which we've already talked about, but just super, super cool. I love this stuff. Obviously, it's a 3-inch tape player. You'll notice this little spindle right here. And when I first unpacked this and talked about this, I think I touched on this, but it is rim drive. So these rubber, there's a term for all this stuff, but these rubber pieces behind the spindles, it actually drives that versus a capstan drive like a conventional tape player. So these do experience a slowdown depending on what position the tape reel is in, depending on how much weight is on that take-up reel. But what happens is it's normalized to this machine, meaning that the speed will be consistent from start to finish on this machine. But if you were to take the tape reel that was recorded on here and place it on another, capstan driven unit, you would see, you would experience some speed fluctuations. But for our purposes, this should be perfectly fine. I love the look of this. So cool, you guys. Just take a look at it. Beautiful. I love reel-to-reel tape. But our mission at hand is to listen to this secret message on here. So let's go ahead and do just that. By the way, a couple more, just real quickly. Volume control, there's a speed control up there, and then your transport controls. But we should be ready to hit play. So I talked to you about how this is a rim drive unit. When you hit play, there's actually a string that connects to this rocker assembly that the motor is on. And when you press play, it rocks towards this way, and that rim drive unit actually makes contact with the rubber. So yeah, without further ado though, let's see what this whole mission is about. I'm really curious. Hopefully this tape will not self-destruct. Sounds a little fast. What's going on?
Hello there. I am a restored Electra Deluxe tape recorder.
Oh.
You are now listening to this demo tape. Your mission is to demonstrate this tape recorder on a YouTube video.
Doing that right now.
Hope you enjoyed the intro.
Okay.
This tape recorder, thankfully, will not self-destruct.
Oh, good.
Enjoy this next bumper.
I was worried there, guys.
Fixed by Fardemark.
Oh, it's just Fardemark. Fooled me.
enjoy the rest of this video.
Okay, guys. Well, while we rewind our tape here, a special thanks to Peter, aka Fardemark. You are awesome. This guy is brilliant. I do not understand how somebody as young as he is knows as much as he does. Truly, truly, truly a genius individual. Knows about all these, can fix them, and has helped me through many issues over the phone. It's kind of the secret sauce, as it were, to a lot of things going right on our show. But seriously, Peter, thank you so much for doing everything and for helping fix up this recorder. And I'm excited, you guys, to have this. I'd like to get a 7-inch recorder at some point as well, but this is a really good starting point and super cool, and I'm thankful to have it. And we'll definitely be seeing more of this on the channel in the near future. But that's going to do it for today, guys. So I'm going to say happy record hunting, happy tape hunting, and we will see you tomorrow.